Hi, my name is Ladarius Pugh, and today I'm going to tell you about grizzly bears. Grizzly bears weigh up to 500 pounds. Their length is 8 feet. They are warm-blooded. They're mammals and they're omnivores. Body parts used for survival. They use their claws for digging. Body covering used for survival. They use their cubs to hibernate. Actions done to survive. They bite people. They bite people if they feel threatened. Delicious eats food chain. Their predators are bigger bears. Their feature creature is other bears. Their prey are plants, fish, bugs, and smaller mammals. Bears are mostly found in the northern part of the world. Thank you.